Hey y'all, so today is exciting, like real exciting, because I got home and my mom's like, oh, you have a couple packages. I'm like, couple packages? I only ordered one thing that I know of like lately. And so I go over to the door and there sat this package right here, a Pixi package that I was sent and I didn't even know about. So I'm so excited, guys. Let's get into this and see what's inside. So, see, when you open it up, inside the green box is this box. Isn't that cute? It's like, it says Pixi Love. I think it's supposed to kind of replicate like a box of chocolates for Valentine's. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Isn't that so cute? Wow. It says this special present to you is a beautiful reflection of the hashtag Pixi Perfect Beauty I see in all of you. Enjoy, XOXO Petra. So that's a close-up of everything in the box. So, I'm gonna see what is in this over here. Oh, cool. So they sent this little case with 3 little brushes inside. And this is a cute little, like, nice sturdy case that I could even just like lay other brushes in and they would not get smashed. That is so cute. So we got 2 eyeshadow palettes. One is called Natural Beauty and the other one is called Reflex Light. So this one is the Reflex Light one. Isn't that beautiful? This Natural Beauty one looks really interesting because it has some matte shades in it. Here's what it looks like. So pretty. So I think what I want to do is I totally want to just play around with these and see what kind of eyeshadow look we can create. I'm thinking really smoky eye. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I think I really want to play around with the Natural Beauty palette because it's got some darker shades down here at the bottom. And I am going to be using these little brushes I was sent. So I think what I will do is just go in with this really fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to take this shade right here in the middle and I'm just going to work that kind of into the crease. Okay, then I'm going to go in with more of the denser brush and I'm going to take this darker shade right here. I'm just going to work that into the outer V over here. And I'm also working this other shade right next to this that's got some really pretty gold little flakes in it. It's called Cocoa Shimmer. I'm working that also into the outer V because it's just a little bit darker. Then I'm going to go back with the blending brush and then just kind of blend everything together. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the other palette. I'm gonna take this shade right here and apply into my inner part of my eye. Okay, I'm gonna also go in with this shade right here that is in the Reflex Light palette. It's called Auburn Blaze, and I'm gonna work that shade into my lower lash line. I did not plan on these shimmer shades working so well with a brush, not even dampened. Then I'm gonna go into the gold shade that's called Gold Foil, which is this top corner, and I'm going to just pop that right into the inner corner. Okay, so I ended up spraying my brush for that gold shade for the inner corner just because it was not really doing them like it wasn't being as pigmented as I wanted it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner, some mascara, finish up the look, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up my eyes, and real quick I want to finish up the rest of my face with this blush and highlighter palette from Pixi. This is the Pixi Glow palette. It is in the pink champagne shade. And then I'm just going to take my highlighting brush and go into the highlight, which is on the very end. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a really pretty pink highlight too. It kind of goes really well on top of the blush. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Pixi Beauty. Again, thank you so much for sending me this, even though I don't know if you'll ever see this video, but it really does mean the world to me because this is like the first ever makeup package I was sent without like even asked to review it, do anything, and I'm just beyond grateful. So with that said guys, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching. Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.